Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brenda and welcome. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a Shop Official Bee haul. This video is in collaboration with them. They were kind enough to send over a package. And by package, I mean this huge box. So shout out to Shop Official Bee for sending over this box. I'm going to be reviewing their products and just showing you guys what I received from Shop Official Bee. If you guys don't know what Shop Official Bee is, it is like an Instagram boutique, and they started off by selling like shoes and like boots and accessories, but just recently within like a month or so, they started selling clothes on their website. So I think that is so awesome for them. They're expanding their brand. They're already like a bomb boutique, and the fact that they added clothes to their website is just so crazy. So shout out to them for doing that. Shout out to them for expanding their brand and wanting to grow more. I know you guys are gonna do so good. But yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to see what I received from Shop Official Bee, then keep on watching. So like I said, they did send over this big box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. I opened it, but I just didn't see what was like inside yet, because I wanted to do this haul for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box. So it did come with this sticker on it that says Shop Official Bee. Those stickers are so cute. And then once I opened the box, it comes with this wrapping paper on top of it, which also says Shop Official Bee on it. As you guys can tell, this is so adorable. The fact that they have wrapping paper or like tissue paper with their name is just so cool. So we're gonna start off with these babies right here. Every item is packaged individually, so every item does come in like this little baggie. So I'm gonna open these up first. The first pair of heels that I'm going to be showing you guys are these babies right here. This is like a nude clear heel, and it comes with a very nice thick clear heel. As you guys can see, it's very nice and thick. It's like a square, but I feel like this is so cute. I feel like clear heels are so in right now, and they're just like so universal to a lot of outfits. You can pair them up with any single color, and the fact that this has like a very chunky heel is very nice because it's gonna be comfortable. But I do like it a lot. So like I said, it is clear, and then the front part of it is suede, which I really like. It feels very nice. So this heel is called the Sandy heel, and it's just very pretty. If you guys are wondering, I am a size 7.5. I'm technically a 7, but I liked, whenever I buy like shoes online, I always get them half a size up, just because I'm so like weird when it comes to shoe sizing. Like I rather it fit me big than it fit me small, if that makes any sense. So yeah, all the shoes that I'm going to show you guys here are size 7.5. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very cute. So the next pair of heels that I have here are these babies right here. I am so excited for these. I love these. As soon as I seen them on the website, I fell in love with how they look. So these babies right here are called the Faith heel, and it is this gorgeous neon yellow heel, and it also has like the clear chunky heel. So I feel like that's gonna make it so comfortable to walk in. So as you guys can see, it is just like a heel that you put your toe in, and it does have a strap supporting like your leg, your foot. I fell in love when I seen these heels just because I feel like they're just so unique and simple and pretty. So the fact that they are this like neon yellow color makes them so unique. But yeah, I feel like these are so cute. I can definitely like wear them as a pop of color for like a neutral outfit, or just like wear it with something neon yellow if I want to match, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the other one as well. I feel like I'm only unwrapping one of the heels. I want to show you guys both of them. So yeah guys, like I said, this is the Faith heel. 7.5 is what I got them in. But yeah, this is what they look like. Super cute. The fact that they have this little toe is so cute. I feel like it almost looks like a toe ring. But yeah, I love these so much. So the next two pairs of shoes that I have are both sandals. So these are called the Katrina Sandals. I think that's how you say it. Katrina. I don't think it's Katrina. I think it's Katrina. So these are it right here. This is just like a snake print pink sandal. It's just pretty basic, sandal. I feel like it's so cute though. I know they did have the sandal in like every single color. They had it in like nude or orange or yellow. I know there was a lot of colors. So if you don't like the pink, I know that they had so many different colors that you can get it in. But I didn't have anything like this, and I felt like sandals like this are like basic, but if you add like some print or something to them, it just makes them a lot prettier. So yeah, these are gonna go cute again if you want to wear them as like a pop of color to an outfit, or you know, just to make an outfit comfortable. I feel like these will be so nice for that. And the next pair of sandals that I have here are these babies right here, and these are called the Giselle Sandal. Let me just take this off. So again, these sandals are like snake print, and you can't really tell unless you put like your foot inside of it. The snake print is in the clear part of the shoe, and I just feel like that's so freaking cool. Like, this is so unique. I've never seen any sandals like this. But I really like this as well, just because these sandals have been in so much. These are kind of like the Hermes inspired sandals, and they have like that H kind of, not really, but if you guys have seen the Hermes sandals, you guys know which ones I'm talking about. These are definitely gonna be my go-to sandals. I just feel like these are gonna be so cute. But yeah, I know they had these in like brown as well, if I'm not wrong, but I like the black ones again because I feel like black is just such a universal color. So is brown, but I don't know, I like black a little more. So now we're gonna move on to the clothing, and like I said, they just recently came out with clothes within like a month or two, and they have so many variety of clothes on their website. They have like dresses, two-piece sets, crop tops, bodysuits, anything you can think of they have. And I feel like the options that they have are just so pretty. Their clothing is just so unique and so gorgeous. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the clothing that I got. So again, everything is packaged in their own like bag, and it is wrapped with a tissue paper. And they also have this little sticker, this Shop Official Bee sticker, which is so cute. I don't even feel like ripping it, so I'm gonna take off the clothing from the bottom. So right here we have this crop top. So this is a very pretty neon pink crop top. This is in a size medium, just in case you guys are wondering, but this is so cute. You know, it's just like your basic crop tops. You guys need basic crop tops in your life. I swear that's all I live in. I love like just colored crop tops. I can wear them like every single day. But yeah, this is cute. It's just like a very nice bright neon pink. The color is so nice. If you guys know me, you guys know that I'm obsessed with neon pink. So Shop Official Bee, you guys did a great choice by choosing this color for me. So this is the next item that I have here. Guys, I'm serious. I don't want to rip this like little package because it's so cute. So I'm just like slipping the clothing out from the bottom of it. So the next item that we have here, oh, this is so cute. So this is actually a bodysuit, and this is what the bodysuit looks like. It is a black kind of like mesh bodysuit. It has like this design on it, and I'm absolutely in love with the straps. They do have chains on the straps. I seen this bodysuit on their website and I really loved it, so the fact that they sent it to me is so freaking awesome. But yeah, like I said, it's a black mesh bodysuit, and on the boob area it does have like a little cushion and support, which is so good. I love like bodysuits like that because then you don't have to wear a bra. I know a lot of girls don't like wearing bras like me, so this is so awesome. And it also has the underwiring, which is so freaking cool. It like will pick the girls up, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. Again, I did get this bodysuit in a size medium. Guys, I'm so sorry. I just realized that I wasn't telling you guys the names of the items that I just mentioned. Either way, if I don't say the name or anything, I will put it down below. Like, I will leave a link to the items down below. But I just still wanted to give you guys the names of the clothing. So this crop top right here is the Kimmy crop top in the shade Barbie Pink. And this bodysuit is called the Debbie Mesh bodysuit. So yeah, like I said, if I didn't say it, I will definitely leave a link of all the items down below. I'm sorry, I totally forgot. I was just like opening the other packages and I'm just like, fudge, I forgot to say the names of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue. The next item that I have is these jeans right here. So these are black high-rise jeans, and these are called the Tana high-rise jeans. I did get these in a size 5. I am a size like 5 or a size 27. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're so cute, and they do have a rip on the knee for both sides. Yeah, they have rips on the knees and they're just so cute. I feel like you need a good pair of black jeans, black high-rise jeans. I'm obsessed with high-rise anything. I don't wear anything if it's not high-rise. So yeah, I definitely needed some black high-rise jeans like this. And yeah, the bottom, they have like a little, I don't know, it's like fringe, I guess. So it is like a little fringe on the bottom. I don't exactly know if they're like ankle jeans. I don't think so. So last but not least, we have this baby right here. So this here is actually a dress. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this dress here is called the Cassie Dress, and I absolutely am obsessed with this. So this is a very nice, pretty red dress. I like it because in the front it has like this scoop neck, and then in the back I am absolutely obsessed because it has like the strap, the zigzag tie-up back, and it's so cute. It will be a little bit open from the back just because of this detailing, but I feel like that's so cute. So yeah, it ties up like on the bottom of your back. And I do really love it just because it does have like the ruche on the side. If you guys can see, the side of it is ruched as well. I can definitely see myself wearing this dress, you know, to go out on a date or like to dinner with my boyfriend. It's just so cute. Or even at a night out with your friends, you can definitely just wear it with some cute heels, and I feel like it will look so adorable. But yeah, the fact that it's red too just makes it so much more like sexy and just like very feminine, and I love it. I just love it. So this is the end of my Shop Official Bee haul. Thanks again to Shop Official Bee for sending out all these items. I absolutely loved every single one of these pieces. Huge shout out to Brie and her family for all her success in her brand. Shop Official Bee has only been out for like a year, maybe over a year, but they've had so much success within that year, and they've grown just so much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I do have a discount code with Shop Official Bee. I'll leave it right here. It is Brenda15. I'll leave it on the screen for you guys. I'll also leave everything down below as far as like links to the items and my sizes, just in case you guys are wondering. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. We are so close to 1K, guys, and I'm just so hyped. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.